The PUNEHOD DTF printer XP600 Printhead transfer printing machine is a powerful tool designed for high-quality direct-to-film printing. I have provided the link to this product in the description below so that you can check the latest pricing details and offers if available. This printer comes equipped with an advanced white ink recirculation system, ensuring consistent print quality without clogging issues. The L8058 model features a significant upgrade, offering 200% faster print speeds than conventional DTF printers. This increase in speed ensures that high-volume printing jobs can be completed efficiently, boosting productivity in any printing operation. Whether you are printing on garments, fabric, or other materials, the printer can handle the workload with ease. With impressive print resolutions of 1440 by 1440 dpi and 2880 by 1440 dpi, the PUNEHOD printer delivers exceptional detail and vibrant colors on every print. Its CMYK plus WW color configuration ensures that even the most intricate designs are printed with accuracy, providing you with stunning results. The printer supports a maximum print size of 8.3 inches in width, making it suitable for a wide range of applications including t-shirts, hoodies, and other fabric-based items. One of the standout features of the PUNEHOD DTF printer is its advanced functional design. It includes a roller design that minimizes interruptions and precision cutting blades that ensure perfectly sized prints each time. You can even cut your designs at any print position, eliminating waste and ensuring you get the most out of every roll of film. This design makes it incredibly efficient, especially for those working with different print sizes and configurations. The printer's maintenance is easy due to its advanced ink system, which includes automatic cleaning and white ink agitation. The system prevents clogging, ensuring that your prints remain crisp and clear no matter how complex your designs are. This feature is perfect for long-term use and reduces the need for frequent servicing. Included in the box with the PUNEHOD DTF printer is everything you need to start printing right away. It comes with 6 by 250 milliliters DTF inks, a 100 roll of film, DTF powder, a DTF oven, software drivers, and instructional videos. All of these components work together seamlessly to provide a comprehensive solution for your printing needs. Lastly, PUNEHOD offers professional after-sales service. Should you encounter any issues during installation or printing, their technical support team is available 24/7 to assist you, ensuring that any problems are quickly addressed. This comprehensive support system guarantees that you can focus on your printing projects without worry.